Are you going to UAE? Get certificate attestation services for UAE. To use the certificate in UAE can be worried because there is a process of getting the embassy attestation of the certificate before using it in UAE. The authentication and legalization of the certificate are mandated, especially for applicants applying for work visas or family visas or planning to establish a business or goods export to UAE. First, it is crucial to understand the UAE embassy's requirements, and accordingly, the certificate attestation process begins. It is obvious to get stressed with so many questions, and only professional help can save you from all these complications. But worry no more. Excellent Apostille Services is here to help you.
Excellent Apostille Services provide you with the complete guide of the UAE Embassy attestation procedure regarding: what is the certificate attestation? What does the attestation process cost? How to get an attestation for the certificate? What documents are needed to get an attestation? How long does the attestation procedure take time? What is the attestation for UAE?
The attestation process is the official act of witnessing and signing available educational and commercial documents by authorized officials of the Indian government and UAE Embassy. The process is conducted in stages and verifies the authenticity of certificates legally.
How long does the attestation procedure take time?
The attestation process is a multi-step process. It must pass through some compulsory primary legalization process from the various authorized departments to reach the final consulate stamp. So it takes 12 to 15 working days, although there are several ways to finish the process on a fast track. Contact to Excellent Apostille Services, one stop of legalization solutions.
What does the UAE Embassy attestation process cost?
The attestation cost will vary on the type of documents. Many factors decide the price, including the urgency of the attestation service and the state from where the document has been issued. Additional services, such as pickup and drop service, will also influence the final cost. If you want to know the exact price, mail or call us now.
Also, it's important to know what exact documents are required for the process. The attestation stamp can be printed exclusively on the original document. Moreover, it must not contain unusual markings. So, an original document required should be in an apparent better position, and all signs and stamps must be readable and clear. And as a supporting document, a passport copy is required for the personal documents, and a covering letter is required for the commercial documents. Attestation procedure for the document. Step 1. Submission to the EAS office. The Excellent Apostille Services is a private professional and non-government agency that collects documents from all over India and submitting them to the MEA and respective embassy. The submission to EAS is the beginning step of the attestation procedure. Step 2. Regional attestation. The attestation journey of the document starts at the notary office with the signature and stamp of an approved notary. Step 3. State-level attestation. One of the exclusive duties performed by the State Home Department is the attestation of personal documents, and the Chamber of Commerce is the first step in verifying commercial documents. Once these departments have attested the document, it can go to the higher government authorities for the center-level authentication. Step 4. Center-level attestation. The Ministry of External Affairs is the highest office in India for document authentication. The MEA legalizes the certificate based on the prior attestation stamps and signatures of authorized officials. Step 5. Embassy attestation. Once the MEA conducts the verification of the certificate is sent to the Embassy of UAE. Once the embassy authenticates the document, it is ready to use in UAE.
Since this process involves your original certificate, there is always a concern about document security and handling. So, it is beneficial to get certificates attested from experts. When it comes to attestation services in India, EAS is a recognized and highly trusted name. With years of experience in the field, we have gained the expertise to get attestation of certificates done very efficiently. Let us explain to you why we are the best for the attestation process. Our pan-India reach will provide you with personalized and quick services. Free pickup and delivery service across the India. We have 24/7 customer support. Guaranteed safety and security of your valuable documents. All in one, hassle-free attestation service is just a phone call away. We can take care of everything needed for attestation. And you can spend your valuable time planning your travel and make the best out of it. Contact today to get the door-to-door services for your complete legalization needs.